here's the pool. Here's the room.
Go in the room.
Yep.
Okay.
Ta-da.
Got it?
Wow.
Tater's gonna take. Oh, look at the Mickey on the table.
Our wedding. Our last name's up there, Mom. On the TV.
I got it. You're good.
Here's the bathroom.
Okay.
I gotta bring in the water.
We are in 5313. 5213, second floor pool view room at Port Orleans French Quarter. So what we got here is we got 2 queen beds. We have my nephew doing stuff. You want your milk? Okay, it's in the, I put it in the fridge. So let's start with the bathroom. It's tiny. Products are on the wall. Okay. Double sink. Couple of products there. Hair dryer's laying right there. You got an extra blanket. You got your iron board and iron. With a light up mirror. That's cool. Beds. Oh, they've got the Mickey thing, like they had Polynesian that the kids play.
Yeah.
And we have a special edition here, sir. Excuse me. And today's my first wife here, named Judy. Judy, stop it. She's a special
Leave her
person.
alone. Here, Judy, I got you.
Just so you know, I'm crowding
Don't know it
around,
yet.
so.
He'll help you out. He knows. He said it. He said it himself.
Yep.
Someone's supposed to be in the internet. No
Will you
And I would never lie about what I'm filming.
These are sunglasses. Those are not reading glasses. I do that all the time.
Alright, so can you see the pool? Yes, you can. Also, look how close the water is. It's amazing.
Oh, cool.
So it makes 2 different pods. You put them in there. I know I'm explaining how a coffee maker works, but
I don't. I've never-
Sexy
Did you
fridge
name it?
TBD.
I will.
We'll
I
check into that in a
didn't
minute.
know that.
ooh, the beds are nice. Okay, so they've got a fridge. Oh, there you go. That makes more sense.
Yeah, New York
Good.
4, Scranton 6, you know.
Okay, so you've got a fridge, you got a few drawers.
This
The
is
beds are
high.
comfortable and they're high.
That's my bed, Brett.
Why are you
Chairs
sitting on
and
mine?
a table. Why are you on hers? I like the lights.
Yeah.
Those are pretty. And the ceiling fan is pretty.
If you're
Cut off
tall, you're gonna get hit.
No, he's fine. He's fine. Did you get the pretty shelf and the bench?
Yep,
Love when you wing the phone around.
that's right. Here, Rhonda, what do you think?
Rhonda complains about that. You can throw some of the water in the.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? If you take how much water you want, you can
USB
give us
by the
now
bed,
if you
too.
want us to, or we can leave it with you, depending
Well,
on.
are you gonna come back Wednesday?
Yeah, we'll come back for sure. Okay.
We're only
Light
20
situation here.
Okay.
There we go. There's the lights.
Oh, there's a safe.
Those are nice.
You all
Your
right?
passport's gotta go inside.
Yeah.
So,
You're having
this is smaller than I
I've
remember.
been walking around like a crazy.
But there's 4 people in this room right now.
Yeah.
So Ethan and I are not staying here, but we thought you might want to see what one of the rooms looks like in 2024.
That's right.
Did you show them the curtain?
Yep.
Look at that curtain.
Bye.
Oh, look, Brett.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
See you in the next one. I was really excited about the pumpkin.
How about this?
No!